For those who have been in these markets, more importantly those who were in these markets during the 2017 to 2018 bull cycle, these extreme swings in the crypto market shouldn't be new to you guys. We've experienced tremendous gains, just as we've seen drastic losses in these markets. Trading at $1.18, and with Ripple filing a counter motion against the SEC on further discovery on Slack messages, which reveals that Ripple has already provided over 1 million pages of discovery to the SEC, including Slack messages from 33 custodians. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The current news on the SEC's claim on the inability of Ripple to provide complete data on its employees' Slack communication has come as a shock to many. Given that the SEC has turned over none of the discovery documents the court has repeatedly ordered to produce the depositions regarding Hinman's Ethereum speech, and internal discussions on the actual status of XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. But we're to find out more on that in the upcoming and highly anticipated court filings. As drafted, the SEC does not seem to have looked through the documentation already provided them by Ripple before making unnecessary requests to delay the inevitable. A delay could be perceived as a deliberate act by the SEC to delay the evidence filing and discovery phase. The big question here is, how long does the SEC expect to drag this further? In juxtaposition to other power altcoins like Cardano's ADA token, the Polkadot DOT token, and Ethereum, and even Bitcoin, XRP has enjoyed significant gains due to its numerous partnerships, all thanks to its all-round feature set of the XRP token that's made it the favorite cryptocurrency of the world's leading financial institutions. More so, XRP has enjoyed stakeholders' endorsements within the economic sphere, with one particular organization endorsing XRP as the most significant cryptocurrency for the central bank digital currency space. XRP carries with it a sophisticated set of utilities that makes it stand out among its peers in the crypto-based payment processing platforms, rendering all the others almost insignificant. Compared to these other top cryptocurrencies, XRP's credibility has constantly been undermined, yet this digital asset has outperformed every other cryptocurrency out on the market. If we look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies across the board from the perspective of year-to-date gains, XRP has the third most significant after Dogecoin and Cardano. More so, if we're to take a look at the charts for this coin on a weekly time frame, the token has surged to even newer highs of late, all thanks to its most recent price bump of almost 50%. Presently, XRP is utilized by a host of corporations and organizations throughout the entire fintech industry, encompassing partnerships with fintech companies from both worlds, involving institutions from the emerging and traditional financial sphere for various purposes. Ripple, the original custodians of the XRP coin, have leveraged on XRP for cross-border remittances, blockchain capital for capital calls, SB projects for entertainment monetization, Coil for micropayments, including XRP TipBot for tips on platforms like Twitter and Reddit, just to mention a few. Since the start of 2021, the San Francisco-based payment processing company has sealed hundreds of partnership deals. Banks and other financial institutions have employed unique distributed ledger technology of the XRP network via RippleNet's on-demand liquidity functionality to reach wider corridors than ever before. Invariably, the Ripple network, also known as RippleNet, provides a framework for the launch and subsequent maintenance of government-backed stablecoins, better referred to as CBDCs, through the newly implemented federated sidechain feature into the XRP ledger. The partnerships and endorsements enjoyed by Ripple are endless, hence it's almost impossible to keep tabs on all of them. Much of the reasons these endorsements go under the radar, just as XRP's unique and original use cases are somewhat lesser known by the general public. Typically, the price of any given asset is solely based on two primary factors: its utility value, which is entailed by its functionality, and its speculative value, caused by market sentiments and news updates. And in the aspect of XRP's utility, this digital asset is faring considerably well. However, on the speculative end, a lot of the good news surrounding this coin is hampered by the preceding legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC. XRP's main coinage was recently pegged at its all-time highest value within the last 1,000 days, a price indicator metric that hints about the average number of days all the XRP tokens have stayed in their current addresses. By the start of August, XRP has witnessed a slight deviation, yet the Ripple coin has been able to counter that mindset with its most recent uptrend. This rise in the average age points that these XRP tokens reside in these wallet addresses, bolstered the fact that the bears currently have the market, as more coin hodlers are accumulating XRP at this stage. XRP's coin dormancy also demonstrated a similar pattern. The dormant circulation shows the number of unique tokens that have not been shifted for a significant amount of time over a given time frame. Based on the charts, the dormant circulation of the 180-day did witness an explosive surge during the latter days of July. Just as XRP simultaneously felt the trend, however, remained on the lower end throughout the beginning of August till this very moment, a move that primarily supports the accumulation narrative as earlier hinted. Even though the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has placed quite a dent on the XRP coin, given its vague and mystifying classification of the asset class, XRP is slated for more extraordinary highs, as it's continued to show positive impressions regarding its probability to reach for more than $2 before the end of the month. Just as all of the noise entailed by the recent crackdown on crypto-related companies continues to fade out slowly, crypto enthusiasts and expert financial analysts continue to remain bullish about this emerging asset class, with the possibility of this digital asset disrupting the entire financial industry. As XRP continues to flip its resistance into support and even surpassing that to hit almost $1.50. If XRP continues with this trend and it manages to hold above the support zone, rest assured we could be seeing this digital asset reaching higher than its $1.50 resistance zone and hitting the $2 price level. More so when the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple eventually winds up. With more regulatory clarity in place, the fintech startup will most definitely see an even more significant number of partnerships. In the same light, that is expected to boost XRP's valuation further and increase significantly. Cryptocurrencies are on the verge of exploding, and XRP will not be left out on this one. Yes, we'll experience some dips and corrections, which is normal, as it's required of every bullish momentum. At this moment, the more extraordinary advantage being with more of these dips and corrections comes even more excellent buying opportunities into these crypto assets. Some options could produce huge gains in the coming months, so never trade your coins for cheap news. If any, utilize the multiple indicators instrument available at your disposal, such as the simple moving averages, to make calculated decisions, and buy in more when the markets are in dips and swings. Once again, I'll say this: never trade with emotions, as trading with emotions or hype could have you liquidating a prospective portfolio all for nothing. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood car set.